Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're going to have a look at this smartphone. It is an Android smartphone. It is on the cheaper side, that's for sure. I think we paid like 60 bucks or something, and I'm kind of excited to see what this is all about. Um, and let's don't waste too much time. Let's dive right into this and unbox it really quick and then see what's happening. So as you can see already, the phone comes wrapped quite nicely. Got the charger, some openers, headphones, and some other goodies, which we don't care too much for right now. So let's throw it all back in there. Um, and then we will have a look at the phone itself. So the phone itself comes in different colors. We picked up the goldish um, porcelain model. There's like black, silver, green, and all as well. Um, Thought that looked pretty nice. So let's boot that up. Remove this little um, security here, the rubber. You can leave it on there if you wanted to. I'm getting really distracted by it though, so I'm gonna remove that if I can actually get a hold of it, which is it's giving me a little bit more of a hard time than it should. But there we go. So now it's gone. And as you can see, it's booting up already. That was quite fast. The model itself looks pretty nice. Liking it. Presentation. We get some lenses and stuff. On the bottom, USB-C and headphone jack. And all in all, looking pretty neat. As you can see, it's your typical Android device. So no surprises here. You get the camera and all. So yep, feel free to explore it yourself. Let's see what kind of shortcuts or widgets we have. So that's also your typical Android. Um, Nothing too exciting here. Can put up the brightness a little more. Color, vibration feels neat. Let's actually see what the informations are. So storage wise, we got, what is it, 32 gigs storage, 9 are, or almost 10 already taken from default, so keep that in mind. You might be able to extend your storage, not sure about that to be honest. I'll throw in the link for the phone anyways, and then you can see if that's an option, because I did not check that. Okay, system, it's not telling us which Android is this. I'm curious to see though. Google, backup and stuff. No, that's not it. Thought it would be here maybe, but nope, that's just like actually Google. Um, where could we find the system is, nope, it's not. It's got language and backup and all that. Um, so weird. What the frick? Nope. Accessibility. That's not it either. Let's see. Storage. Nope, not more information. Network connection. Oh, my phone, obviously. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's Android 12. Okay, Android 12. Quad MTK 6703 CPU, 30 megapixels front camera, back camera 21 megapixels, 3 gig RAM, um, and the core of 32, not too shabby, and yeah, that's the phone. And yeah, really like the style, and if you're looking for a cheap version for a cell phone, this might be it. So take care, you guys.